Different types of bamboo shades available. When it comes to custom bamboo shades, you'll find a diverse range of options to choose from, each with its own unique characteristics and design elements. Explore the following types of bamboo window treatments to find the perfect fit for your Ontario home. Matchstick bamboo shades. 1. Crafted from thin, natural bamboo strips woven together. 2. Offer a classic, rustic aesthetic with a textured, linear pattern. 3. Available in a variety of natural hues, from light to dark. 4. Provide excellent light control and privacy. Bamboo Roman shades. 1. Combine the elegance of bamboo with the functionality of a Roman shade. 2. Fold up neatly when raised, creating a soft, pleated look. 3. Offer a versatile and sophisticated option for any room. 4. Available in a range of bamboo weave patterns and colors. Bamboo roller shades. 1. Provide a sleek, minimalist look with a smooth, uniform appearance. 2. Operate with a simple pull and release mechanism for easy use. 3. Offer a clean, contemporary aesthetic that complements modern decor. 4. Available in a variety of bamboo textures and finishes. Bamboo vertical blinds. 1. Ideal for sliding glass doors and large windows. 2. Offer a unique, vertical orientation that adds visual interest. 3. Provide excellent light control and privacy. 4. Available in a range of bamboo slat widths and colors. Bamboo cellular shades. 1. Incorporate a honeycomb-like structure for enhanced insulation. 2. Offer superior energy efficiency, helping to regulate temperature. 3. Available in a variety of bamboo weave patterns and opacity levels. 4. Provide a soft, diffused light when partially or fully closed. No matter your personal style or the specific needs of your Ontario home, there's a bamboo shade option that will seamlessly integrate with your decor and enhance the overall ambiance of your living spaces. Explore these diverse choices to find the perfect custom bamboo window treatment that elevates your home's aesthetic and functionality. Please like, share and subscribe.